You are here because you have one question. What is rapid revenue blueprint? And I'm going to answer that question. Everything what it takes, how much it to invest and everything. I'm not going to address any of the fluff and extra stuff because I want to respect your time. So without further delay, let's get started. What is rapid revenue blueprint? Okay, so from unpredictable sales to consistent high quality clients in weeks, not months, not years. So you are here, you are actually watching this live training. It might be live or it might be even recorded. But ask the questions anytime, either in chat or email, and we will reply you back immediately. Okay, and focus. This is a really short webinar. I'm not going to take your half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours. No, I'm just going to keep it very, very short. So silence your phones, close distraction, any kind of distraction, social media, TV, whatever it is. Your next 15 minutes could change your business trajectory for good. Your future, your life, everything will be changed for good. Okay, and that's our promise. So, what is the harsh reality? When I got started into my digital business, I was told that you will see real money only in the third year. I didn't like that. Means it was no for me because how many solopreneurs, entrepreneurs will have resources that they will survive in their business for 3 years. Most of the solopreneurs they quit their business before launching their first product. 60%. Many entrepreneurs don't see second year in their business. Those who see second year, many of them don't see fifth year in the business. So these are really, really hard statistics. I didn't like them for myself. I didn't like them for my clients. It's lots of time. It's wasted, and you lose money. You can make money. You lose time. You cannot recreate time. I saw people spending 6 months in creating lead magnet. I saw people spending 3 years in creating e-course without knowing whether anyone would buy that or not. It's really hard life. So much of uncertainty, stress, and financial risk. So let's find out what is the old way and what is the new way. Old way is posting endlessly, complex funnels, paid ads that flop, and paid ads I would not recommend for aspiring entrepreneur and budding solopreneurs. Yeah, I'm not against ads, but you should have some money coming on cruise control, then part of that money you can put into ads. But for new solopreneur, entrepreneur, no. So let's find a new way which is predictable, repeatable, and week in and week out of client flow. So fast forward 12 months, you are having predictable leads, more lifestyle, freedom, and energy. Yeah, you are living your dream. It can be anything. You just want to relax and spend time with your family, or you want to do vacation. But you know that your business is performing, it is bringing in leads, and it is creating revenue on cruise control, even while you asleep. Yes. So, what are the ripple effects you will see on your business, your lifestyle, your confidence, and your fulfillment? It's always good to make money. Your business shouldn't be your hobby. Your business should be creating revenue. And the more you make, the more families you can help. You can help your own family first, but of course, later on, you can scale, you can have team, and you are helping their families. The lifestyle is untouchable, it is unbeatable. And solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, they work really hard. They deserve the best. And only one solopreneur understands other solopreneur, neither their friends nor family. And initially, solopreneur may not have much to show for. At that time, it is really hard, and that's why I have this ecosystem where you can get help in every possible way, peer to peer, and also from a guide, from a mentor. So I am Supets. I have global clients, strong reputation, proven results. My clients came from Australia, then New Zealand, and then Europe, and now I have steady flow of clients from North America. So I'm just sharing my experience, my wisdom, and so that you will have shortcut for your success. You look on Google, you search soup ads, you won't find negative about my marketing, because anytime if there is any conflict between me and my clients, we always give preference to our clients, and all the buck always stops at our place. And any kind of error, any kind of, if there is any disagreement, we always favor it to our clients. And we have various clients success stories. For example, Sujata, she made 4K in her first week actually, but here I'm mentioning first month, starting from zero. Others are seeing revenue from 1 to 3 months, whether you have subscriber base or not, because we help you create your own subscriber base by using simple methods of collaboration, so that you, once you have established subscriber base, you can start sharing your offers with them. Everything is proven, and there are lots of case studies. As I mentioned, that I was being told that you will see real revenue only on the third year of the business. I didn't like that, and I kept on searching. Finally I found a solution where I could see the revenue coming in within first month and at the most third month. So that is a really shortcut. You don't have to wait for 3 years, you can see money in third year. And people bought my business in a box toolkit, which is 16 courses with all the marketing material plus 1 month of implementation help. They loved it, they enjoyed it, they started making money. And later on, I had strategy calls available only on need basis. So my strategy calls were $600 per hour, and my clients started booking my strategy calls. Sometimes they booked even 2 strategy calls per month. And at the end of the year, I saw they investing like a 10K into their business. They were making money, but they wanted more help. And then I started realizing just 1 month of implementation help, it's not enough. Means they are seeing money, but they want to scale, they want to see more money. So then I created the module where they can get 1 year of help, one-on-one help, weekly basis, so that they can move the needle into their business on fast track. So they do their homework, then they come and meet the coach, and 15 minutes later coaching, they get the idea what to do next, and they implement. Again they book the next week weekly appointment 15 minutes, and monthly workshops which are group workshops. So here they are getting peer to peer interaction plus one on one. And just one on one coaching is very very expensive. People are charging like 2 to 5,000 dollars per month. And then I designed this model in such a way it is one third of that actually price. And you will come to know the pricing and all everything. But here weekly one-on-one coaching, monthly group workshops, business in a box toolkit, customized gameplay. And what you can avoid: endless posting, networking events, and expensive ads. Posting is okay, but that is a long term strategy. I am personally LinkedIn influencer, but it didn't happen overnight. It took like 2 3 years of consistent work, and I was not focusing on being an influencer on LinkedIn. But hey, once I had enough followers, companies started approaching me and I became influencer. But if someone wants to make money within 3 months, should I recommend that? It is not possible to create that kind of revenue within 3 months. It is a long term goal, long term strategy. Networking events, you have to find where your ideal customer is, because not every networking event is suitable to you. It can be really time waster. Expensive ads, oh, beginning stage, just stay away from ads. They will drain your money like crazy. Plus, if you are working with ad specialist who is really not good at it. The ad leads what you get, they are also not quality leads. So at present, for the beginner entrepreneur, I won't recommend that strategy. So, what is rapid revenue blueprint? It is $3,000 per year, but it covers one on one every week, and that moves the needle for any entrepreneur. A group call, people are getting lost. They don't show up for the live calls. They don't have time to listen to the recording. Their questions are not getting asked. And even if their questions are getting asked, actually, there is no accountability, because here with one on one coaching, you have to do the homework and then only you can see your coach. So that forces entrepreneur to do their part, and when they do their part, they move the needle into their business. They see the results, they see the transformation. And here, $3,000 for 1 year. I have clients this invested like 10K 1 year for their business growth, and this is one less than one third of that. And if you want to get one-on-one coaching, this price is actually even people charge for 1 month. So this is really means for the deal what you are getting, and of course there is a money back guarantee. You will get your money back. So if you don't see whatever money you are invested, you are not making twice of that, you are getting your money back. So this is a fraction of typical cost. It is really fraction of typical cost. Direct founder access. I give my mobile number, my WhatsApp number. Which other founder gives you their own mobile number? So I give that. Proven reusable system. You just rinse and repeat and keep on using that system and keep on seeing the results and the revenue. So are you ready to build your future? We have exclusive fast action bonuses. So if you are a fast actioner, you will have access to those fast action bonuses, and those are really amazing, and that you will come to know only when you set up the appointment to find more information. And this is the appointment. Really, I really don't want to sell you on this thing, because this is the best deal I have ever seen. I don't think anyone offers this kind of help at this price. So you come for the call, and just find if there is any suitable solution for you. And this is not the only offer. Though I'm sharing only rapid revenue with you, this is not the only offer we have. We have offers starting from, you can say, actually from $7 up to $30,000. So something or other might fit you. We have do it yourself e-courses. They are like 2757, 297, 497, depending on what areas they are. So plus our business in a box toolkit, that is 897, but that covers 16 e-courses with all the marketing material plus 1 month implementation help. And with rapid revenue, this is the one full year of implementation help, one-on-one coaching plus group calls plus community, everything. And then if you want that we do everything for you, then it is $30,000. So depending on your need, we have a solution. So we have solutions from $7 to $30,000. Something or other will fit your need. And I'm looking forward to, yeah, getting to know you better. And if it is yes, hey, it is good for you. But if it is no, still I respect your decision. But what are you going to lose by setting up an appointment with me and find where you stand in your business and how I can help you? And yeah, and then there are, of course, just there are attendance bonuses, because if you show up for the call, yeah, there is a AI powered gift which I'll be giving you, because you showed up for your call. You proved that you are accountable and we can work with you, because it is not just you are finding about us, even we want to find about you. If you show your accountability, yeah, we know we can work with you. Of course, we are not going to promise at this particular point. So there is no commitment either from you or from us, but I would really like to get to know you better, and hey, we may collaborate on many other projects, because collaboration is the strategy which we use in getting steady flow of clients in our business. Thank you and God bless you.